How to sync iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open settings on both the devices and make sure both the devices, that is your iPhone and your iPad, is connected to the same Apple ID, and if not, then go ahead and connect both the devices to same Apple ID. Next, tap on your Apple ID you see there on top and further tap on the iCloud option. Now, tap on the Photos option and make sure the toggle button for Sync this iPhone is toggled on. Also go back and now tap on the iCloud Drive option. Make sure the toggle button for Sync this iPhone is toggled on too. Further, go ahead and open App Store on both your iPhone and your iPad and then tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Here, tap on Apps and further tap on My Apps. Make sure all the apps that you are using on both the devices are updated, as the apps might be updated in one device and might not be updated on the other device. Also, go back to Settings and tap on General and then on AirPlay and Hand Off. Make sure the toggle button for Hand Off is toggled on, as Hand Off lets you start something on one device and instantly pick it up on the other device using your iCloud account. So, this is how you can sync iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.